So first is Hobby Lobby. So we have candlesticks. So I got gold ones off of Etsy, and I was thinking those on the mantle, like flanking the sides. And then these on like the entry dresser thing or on the buffet, or both. Okay, this is the next one. It's a U-shaped taper candle holder. So my thought with this one is it could go on the coffee table once you finish it.
Okay.
Okay, and then also for the coffee table, we have this little guy. And it goes with this one. So these together. I don't know if these are going to be like too small for the coffee table, but...
It's layered in.
But we'll see.
Cute.
So they're twisty candles.
Cute.
So these are the beige ones.
Cool.
And the white ones.
Cute.
This is just to go.
Just a roll of burlap.
It's just to go around the tree, down in the collar to cover that spot. Okay, so then I got these knobs.
What are those for?
For the buffet.
Why are you worried? Those look great. Very cute.
And my thought with this was it could be a pillar candle holder.
Oh, cool.
Or it could just be a vase too. So I got 2 of these. And I got 1 smaller one.
Cool.
Okay, first up we have wrapping paper. These were buy one get one free at Michael's. So then I found these. They're like a mercury glass ornaments likes. Thought they could go on the mirror, like draped over the mirror. Yeah. Now we have these paddle brush trees. So this, I think this would be cute mixed in with the fresh garland I'm gonna do on the mantle. I just felt like this is pretty classy looking.
Yeah, I think it's really cool.
Okay, is for the wreath that I'm gonna make. So we have the grapevine that you like untangle and then you like reform to make your own thin grapevine wreath. All the grapevines at Michael's had like feet on them.
Maybe they're like desktop wreaths.
Interesting.
That's what it's for.
Well, I'll just take those off. Bell garland to add.
Very cool.
Berries. This dark dried uke. And then I figure I'll mix in some of the drieds that I already have. Okay, I think that's everything.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!